Guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Forge in Minecraft 1.21.11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Forge Minecraft, or just go files.minecraft.forge.net and you will end up on this page here. Then select latest version here and press on installer. And then wait for a couple of seconds here until you see skip button here. Press on it and then save it to your computer. Once you have Forge, make sure your Minecraft launcher is completely disabled because sometimes it won't let you to install Forge, right? And then just install client and wait until installation process is done. If for some reason also you get an error, that's why probably you don't have Java in your computer. So you just need to write Java download and download Java here and install to your computer depending on what computer you have here, and Forge should work. After installation is done, you should get similar message to this. And if you want to install mods into Forge, that's what you need to do here. So for example, let's go to CurseForge. It's a popular website for mods. Then we just need to go to browse all and then select Forge here and let's install some mods. So for example, let's install a Waystones. And as you can see here, with Waystones, you need to have a Balm mod as well. So first, as you can see here, it requires Balm. So get Balm, files, all game versions, select 1.21.11, and then look for a NeoForge or Forge. So let's download Balm first. And then let's go and install Waystones as well. Same process. Files, all game versions 1.21.11, and then look for NeoForge, and then download as well here. And wait until download process is done. And once you have these mods here, then what you need to do here is to launch your Minecraft launcher. Then go to Java Edition, then go to installations, select modded, and look for Forge. Then press on this folder here and then go to mods. If you don't have mods folder, just press plus icon here and create one. And then we need to add these two mods here, right? And after that, make sure to load Forge 1.21.11, latest version here, and your mods and your Forge should work. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.